Hey, that's a well-built piece. Okay.
Oh, this is gonna work good, dude.
Go on.
Hey, come back. Come back. All right, now pull forward just a little bit. Stop. All right.
Hey, man, this ain't gonna fall on my truck, is it?
I don't know. Go. Oh.
Is it lifting me?
What a pussy truck, dude.
You need four-wheel drive. Go fast.
I'm done. Unhook me.
Hey, just go. Just fucking go. Just go. Just go. Now go. Go. No, no, no.
Now go, go, go.
No. Oh, it's gonna.
Ah, shit.
Little tiny builders beat that big old truck's ass.
Hey, Frank, don't you put that on nowhere.
Oh yeah, wait, I forgot you got those extra wide tires too, right?